This a cup, yeah. You mean to tell me, say, me go through all of the parcel just to pick up this? Eh?
Earlier in the day.
Boy, this parcel now. Where am I supposed to open it from? Parcel from Amazon. This a cup, yeah. You mean to tell me, say, me go through all of the parcel just to pick up this? Eh? And what kind of thing this? Eh? Me don't know who sent this for me because me can't even remember ordering this, yeah. Eh? Yo, my cross, man. Eh? And who I drink out of them, the same thing nowadays. Eh? What happened to the little enamel one them when we used to use back in the days them? Eh? What am I supposed to do with this? Drink out of it? Eat out of it? Me can't use it for make soup. Cause me really fancy some chicken foot soup right now.